Guys, why the Tabaya Lostrone in Kutusa, it breaks my heart. Cause like Alostro really progress in too much. He made so much progress. Alostro nesete ale shapo. Like I don't understand. Mabane ke bone video ngai atsuwa. I'm free. I didn't atsuwa eng ka wa itse pelo ga ya ba botlhoka mara. After sebaka se kana Alostro a recovery. No setse fela hanya fela. Net hanya fela hore a be permanent, a be reke pila be full time, a kere room a be sharp. Mara Alostro no tse tore na o ira so. Nah, guys. Mara, wait again. Anyway, guys. Wait.
Hello everyone, Gadochisano and welcome to my channel. So that was a visibly disappointed DJ Gary expressing that he was heartbroken when he saw a video of South Africa's famous para or homeless man and drug addict Alostro. This is because Alostro was rehabilitated, cleaned up and offered a job in Limpopo, all with the assistance of DJ Gary and Mr. Moloto. However, after receiving just one salary, Alostro was nowhere to be found. Last week, DJ Gary informed fans that Alostro was found and his aunt confirmed that Alostro is with her. Apparently, he left work in Limpopo without even telling Mr. Moloto. DJ Gary went on to say it's up to Alostro whether he wants to go back to Limpopo and work or not. Well, that was until a video started resurfacing showing a relapsed Alostro back in the streets like he never left before, screaming, "I'm free."
I'm free!
Now, while DJ Gary is obviously disappointed and heartbroken because he tried, he really did, others are not too surprised that Alostro relapsed. One person commented, "He relapsed. Drug addiction is no joke. Smoking heroin increases dopamine levels so high that nothing else can make you happy in this world than getting high. Not women, not clothes, not even a job. We should all forgive Alostro." Another person added, "Absolutely. As people of color, we will never understand the power of addiction, let alone heroin. I will applaud him for finishing a month working. He fought but failed because it's not easy to even think of quitting. I believe he needed more rehab and time." Another person replied, "I'm sure he could only think of one way to enjoy his salary, and that is to get high. There are people who relapse even after being clean for 5 years. People who smoke cigarettes find it difficult to quit, and we expect a heroin addict to stay clean in 1 month. Yani, addictions are very hard to overcome. Obviously, the easiest way is not to get started. To begin with, to beat addiction, one needs a very strong will and more, which was probably lacking in the first place, or am I wrong? That's why 1 month doesn't sound like it's enough, especially if someone is that far gone. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
But wale mnafana ba fota gore una o tsuwe drugs a o gana ba shaba ka 44 bullet.
But yeah,
Ba shaba ka 44 bullet ba o gana gore mona ba tutsuwa ma drugs tsa ka.
ba go peleja.
Ba fosta tsaya pa. Ba bola ya no motho wa.
Alostro se ka re bia.
Ba bangata ba fona ba le mo.
So no what's because of uchaba or what bolai.
A tsentse fona etsa bone di cocaine nyane tsa bone go go aba di reki.